Now with Ideal's new Story Magic talking toys, you can watch your favorite Sesame Street characters come alive in your own home.
Abkadevki, Jekyllman, up where Stuvrix is. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen.
C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie, start with C.
If there's anything I love more than salt and tangerines, it's saying no, no, no.
Big Bird, Cookie Monster, and Oscar the Grouch talk in their own authentic voices as they entertain kids and parents alike.
The person knocking at Oscar's can looked like a furry blue guy smiling. When Oscar raised his lid, the furry blue guy smiley said,
Hello, me, Guy Smiley.
These synchromation toys are easy for kids to operate. Just connect Oscar the Grouch and Cookie Monster to Big Bird, insert a Story Magic cassette, and the fun begins. There are lots of Story Magic books and cassettes available, so you can have Sesame Street fun anytime you want.
Cowabunga!
and I love saying no. Imagine that.